Let's do the crypto thing now with Laddie Williams.
Ini, yes, about your Friday prophecy. Well, it lagged the last time, but it came down really hard last Friday. We saw Bitcoin
I was just so angry. I was so angry that I did not hit the point that Friday, so I thought, let me make it double.
You lagged by one Friday, so but it's okay. We see the market cap there. It's lost the $2 trillion mark there. It's a $1.62 trillion, down 0.53%. Volume not so much this morning. $81.90 billion traded in the total crypto market. Bitcoin dominance there, sitting at 41.25%. Price of Bitcoin still struggling there, $35,290. It's up about 0.03, but we'll see it's actually dropped lower than this at this hour, about 34,000. Volume traded in Bitcoin, $25.46 billion. Let's talk to Olumide Adesina, financial market analyst right there. Great to have you, Olumide.
Yeah, good morning, Laddie. This is a red Monday.
It's a red Monday, from a red Friday to a red Monday, Olumide. We've seen Bitcoin drop about 50% from the previous high of about $60,000. Olumide, it seems the bears are in control right now.
Exactly. And I think for listeners, especially on channels, they should not be surprised because if you recall, the outlook for the year when we started the program was that the bears were going to get grip, and that was because the narrative around interest rates, the fact that the Fed was trying to tame rising inflation, meant that liquidity will definitely tighten. But I think some of the whales got smart, sold quietly, and retail traders got between crossfires. Because if you look at what is happening right now, you see that Bitcoin broke two key support levels in a couple of hours. Bitcoin has lost more than $9,000 just in the space of 3 days. Bitcoin is trading at has posted its worst weekly performance in 8 months. The price is trading at last time we saw in August. So what this is just trying to tell you is that investors are keen to the fact that yes, the Fed body language is suggesting that interest rates will be very aggressive, so they wouldn't want to suffer more drawdowns. But I think look at the broader spectrum, you see that also Bitcoin seems to even have fair returns compared to others. Ethereum is almost twice as worse as Bitcoin. The altcoins are even getting melting like the ice cream in the sun. So I think right now it's just stay out of and watch the market, because it's not just the crypto market. US stocks also suffer. We saw what happened to Netflix on Friday, and the same thing with others. So right now, investors are a bit picky and cautious. So I think for me, it's a no in the crypto market now.
And there's also that correlation between Bitcoin and the Nasdaq. You know, some traders see Bitcoin as a tech stock. Apparently,
the correlation is that because most tech stocks are seen as growth stocks, and they thrive during the era of cheap spending, and the fact that people don't really look at key fundamentals like price to book ratio, EPS, and what have you. They really look more on the fact of they look at their users' growth. They look at more of the fact that they are thriving on the technology ecosystem. So the valuation often tends to not be traditional. So when the market seems to correct, you see that tech stocks, they suffer a lot. But I think if you look forward, you see that right now Bitcoin bulls are really suffering. Right now, Bitcoin has broken below $35,000. That suggests to tell you that the 30,000 support level is within sight. Any break between July 2021 support level suggests that it's going to take a miracle for Bitcoin to have the momentum it has. It is still not over yet. The US Fed is talking in some days' time. So we will see the body language is still affirming what investors think, but any change might give Bitcoin some support in the coming days.
Olumide, the question on most traders' mind now is, where is the bottom for Bitcoin?
Laddie, that's a $1 million question. I think if you look at present statistics right now and look at the volume and demand and the fact that US dollar is rising, I think it would be fair to say the support would be between $25,000 and $30,000 right now, because you need to understand that high the 10-year Treasury yield going to that level is telling you that it's very obvious that the U.S. Fed will tighten liquidity. And also the fact that we are seeing sell-offs, the panic, geopolitical uncertainty, you see what is happening in Russia and Ukraine, that tension around is making investors nervy. So I think it's fair to say that that would be the support level in the midterm. But, the Bitcoin has often known to touch 30 and reach all-time high of $69,000. So we could see exciting fundamentals, maybe Apple, Mark Zuckerberg going into the space fully, changing narrative. But right now, it seems that the bears are holding the shot.
The bears have it right now. All right, Olumide, thank you so much.
Thank you, Raj.
All right, look at the Ethereum that's below $3,000 at $2,442. Volume trading in Ethereum about 15.34. And you see the top also market cap, it's all red with Solana there, the biggest loser at $89. It's lost the $100 mark. We see Cardano also looking to go below the $1 mark at this point, down 3.75%. So it's quite a scary market right now. Nobody knows what to do. Traders are confused right now.
No, come on, laddie, we know what to do. This is the time to get into the market. When the market is down, you get into the market.
But what if the dip keeps dipping? What do you do
then? When it's down, I guess the only way we hope it will be up. So, I mean, when we were enjoying the highs, I mean, we were all smiley and all that, and we had greed.
You should be able to enjoy some losses, right?
We had greed and extreme greed.
Exactly. So it's extreme fear now.
All right, laddie, thank you so much.
All right.